What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. I told you guys I was going to be bringing you the best accessories for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is right here. We're going to be doing an unboxing of some of these accessories and pretty much explaining why I think that these are the best, if not some of the best accessories for this device in particular. And I'll go down the line, so we'll make this quick. I don't want to take you guys time up. I know you have things to do. It's okay. But before we get into that, I have to give the disclaimer as always. Obviously, I'm a YouTuber, gotta say it. And if this doesn't apply, if you're like, bro, shut up, just get to the stuff, by all means. I don't feel any type of way. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's appreciated as well. Got this bad boy, this beautiful device right here. We need accessories for it. We can't just walk around this world naked, raw dogging it. No, we need accessories. And mostly these accessories are about protecting this phone. That is the main thing I care about, is protecting this phone. But you have some others that serve a different purpose. But main thing is protection. So that's why you see two cases right here and a screen protector right here. But first thing on the list, since it is on top, and I did an unboxing video for this, so it should be coming out before this or after this, not sure, just depends how the wind blows that day. But anyways, I have the Galaxy Watch 6. This is the new Galaxy Watch. I'm feeling this a lot. I really like it. I'm coming from the Apple Watch Ultra right here, so big difference. 800 bucks, not 800 bucks. That's all I care about. And obviously it's Samsung compatible. So first thing is, if you're an active person, and from my personal experience, most people, they get a smartwatch, but what do they use it for? Checking time and use it for workouts. That's the main thing you use it for. So you don't really need an expensive smartwatch to go along with your device, whether it be a Samsung or Apple device. You just need something that is practical for you. Is this worth 800 bucks for what I use it for? Hell no, not even close. So that's why I'm happy to just get the standard Apple Watch 6. I didn't care for the classic. The rotating bezel is cool, I guess, but I don't really care for that too much. But for practicality purposes, for what I mainly use this for, is working out and checking the time. I'm finally able to put my smartwatch on my left wrist, which I've been wanting to for a while, which I'm accustomed to, but I had to put it on my right wrist as far as the Apple Watch Ultra, because for some reason, as you guys can see, I have tattoos on this wrist. For some reason, it doesn't calculate properly, or it doesn't register properly through tattoos. So if I'm doing a workout, it'll stop the workout, it'll pause it, or it will just lock my watch because it thinks it's off my wrist because of tattoos for some reason. I thought it was strange. I looked it up. Apparently, multiple people have that issue. So hopefully, I won't have that issue with this Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. All right, next on the list, screen protector. Most of these phones, if not all of them, come with a screen protector on here. I'm not sure if this one has one on here. I think this is just bare screen right here. With that being said, they offered a deal. I could get this. I think this was free actually, because this is Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It is strong. That's nice and all. Sounds good, but every phone cracks. This is not impervious to cracks and drops. So I'm going to be putting this screen protector on. This one right here. This is the Slim S Pen case. I will be doing individual videos for these cases in particular, because I do, case reviews as well. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be unboxing and putting it on there. I'm not going to be going into depth. That's what that case review video will be for. But yes, this is the Slim S Pen case that came from Samsung. Another reason why I got this case is because it comes with the S Pen. For some reason, Samsung wants to sell damn near $2,000 phone and don't put the S Pen in the box. I don't get it. So I kind of had to get this case to utilize that S Pen. Do I use the S Pen a lot in my day-to-day? No, I do not. But it is still nice to have if I want to doodle something really quick, notes. I don't know. If I'm feeling fancy and I want to use a freaking stylus, that's why I got the case. And it looks cool. I like the different colors, the contrasting colors. Next thing on the list, wireless charger. Now, this is the Trio one. I only have two devices right now. I have the Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Watch 6. Two devices. This can hold three. So if I ever decide to get the Galaxy Buds, then I'll put those on here as well. But I love wireless charging. My phone is good for, you know, quick mobile, get in, get out kind of stuff. So that's why I have this right here. And then last but not least, this is the Eco Leather Case by Samsung. All this stuff is via Samsung. Okay, no third party stuff here, as you can see by the Samsung under all this stuff. But yes, this is the Eco Leather Case. The reason why I recommend and got this case is also because, yes, this case does have an S Pen on it. It's good. But if you are some of the people out there, and there's many of you who don't use the S Pen, you don't really care for the S Pen, you want a regular case, that's what this provides. A flat surface on the back, and then just simple. You don't have to get too intricate with, you know, levers and buttons here and having an extra piece that goes in your case and it making it a weird shape. You have something simple right here. Simple black eco leather, aka not real leather, but it feels like it case right here. So without any further ado, we're gonna open this stuff, okay? Because I'm not here to waste you guys time any more than I already have. All right, so first thing on the list is the Eco Leather Case. All right, you got some papers in here, instructions on how to put the case on. I'm so surprised they put instructions for how to snap a case on your phone. Wow, that's wild. Anyways, you have your Eco Leather Case right here. We're going to snap this on really quick. As you can see, it has like a little suede material inside. No stickers. Oh, well, I stand corrected. There is a sticker in here. Trolling me just to make me look stupid on camera. Good job, sticker. But anyways, there is stickers on this end, though. And now you're set. So I can slap this on the front of my device here. So now you have this, and it had some adhesive in the side, so it should stay on, but you know, who knows? It does not protect the hinge. That is the sad and unfortunate part about it, but it feels good. You have, I guess this is the eco leather part that they were talking about. Samsung Eco Leather Case. I like it. All right, let's take this off because we got another case we got to get to. This thing is kind of beefy, kind of girthy. You know what I'm saying? Kind of girthy. All right, slide that out of the box. Here is your platform right here. Very long and wide. You have your charging cable right here. This looks like to be USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And oh my gosh, Samsung provided a charger? Is this possible? Wow. You can put a charger in there. You're not worried about the freaking environment here, but you can't put one in for the phone. I don't know. I just talk to myself sometimes. So let me plug this in. I don't know if I have something over here to plug this in to turn it on. I could be wrong, but let's see. Let's see if I can plug this into something and make it charge. We'll be right back. Alright, so we are back. It does work even with the camera bump on the back of this device. So we're gonna move on to the next item. Is this Slim S Pen case by Samsung. We're gonna peel this off really quick. Pull this bad boy out right here. You have the case, and I think it's something else in here. Might just be papers. Yeah, just papers. So gives you instructions. Again, it's a case. You know how to put a case on. So we are going to put that on really quick. Yeah, so if you look very close right here, you have some additional S Pen tips, and then this little metal prong what it's around. This is a device that allows you to pull the tip off of the S Pen. You got to keep the microfiber cloth handy at all times. All right, so you have the front of the phone. You put this piece on accordingly, and it snaps right into place. Sticky, icky. And then you have another sticker. Stickers everywhere, man. peel that off. And then you have the back piece right here. No adhesive. Feels pretty plasticky. Hard plastic for sure. Snap this on. And then you are in play. Officially in play. Look at this. This looks nice. I like this color. It goes very well with the beige. That's why I got this color. Feels good. Adds definitely some weight to the phone and, you know, size on the phone. But yeah, you can access your stuff with no problems. When you fold it all the way out, as you can see, there's somewhat of a little gap right there, but nothing we can't manage, right? Right? Pretty seamless. Let's put it flat on the table. You definitely got some rocking, but here is what you guys came here for, the actual S Pen. So you snap that down, pop this out, pull it out. And then I think this is the clicking motion right here. Yeah, so there's an S Pen icon here. So once you have that S Pen, it will give you this. Hello. And I say, how are you? Smart Select. You can select stuff out of a picture, paste it wherever you see fit. Enjoy your S Pen. I shall, mister. So let's just do this right here. Sure. So then, yeah, you can share this, copy it, you can pin it to the screen. Let's pin this to the screen really quick. So that will permanently stay there. What else we have here? Screen right. So it basically takes a screenshot of whatever you have on here, and then I should be able to write whatever. Oh, it makes a little writing noise too. Subscribe. Oh, and you have my little pin thing right here. And then you have the eraser. It mass erases, so it doesn't erase separately. But yes, I like this. This is good. This is good. And then you can download. You can share it. What else do we have on here with the S Pen? You have AR Doodle and live messages. I'll have to download AR whatever the heck that is. And to put this back in, you basically line this up, slide that back in, and then snap it right into place. So I'm going to leave this case on because I'm going to be rocking this for a while. And then now we are on our last little accessory right here. A screen protector. You must have a screen protector. I can't say that enough. Okay. All right. We got it. So pull this out. I'm assuming the screen protector is in here. You have instructions on how to install the screen protector. And there's something else in here. I might as well rip this up because I won't be using this anymore. What is this? Ugh. All right, thank you. Sheesh. So I believe these are your aids to help you put this thing on properly. So you basically clip this to the bottom of your phone. You clean your screen off before you put it on. You use the stickers to pick up any dirt. And as you're putting it on, you use the squeegee to squeegee it on. So I might just do like a quick little time-lapse video for you guys. That is how you install this screen protector. I will get these little 3 bubbles out of the way. Again, link will be in the description for all this stuff below. Let me know what you guys think. What was your best accessory? And again, I thank you guys for tuning in as always. And there will be tons, and when I say tons, I mean tons more videos to come. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.